few months ago, I used a copyrighted song to create a really fun montage of one of my trips, but obviously I knew I couldn't post it on YouTube because I didn't want to risk a copyright strike. Let's have a look.
1, 2, 3, take my hand and come with me because you look so fine that I really want to make you mine. I say you look so fine that I really want to make you mine. 4, 5, 6, come on and get your kicks. Now you don't need the money when you look like that, do you, honey?
They might be thinking, Lila, did you not just risk a copyright strike? And the answer is no. And in this video, I want to explain to you exactly how I was able to use a copyrighted song legally and how you can do the same. First things first, using copyrighted music or any copyrighted work without permission is strictly illegal, and I repeat, I am not encouraging you to steal other people's work. Very simply put, an artist is putting all of their time and energy and skills and creativity and money into writing this song and producing the song. So when the song is finally finished, they own the song and they want to protect that with copyright. And it makes complete sense because otherwise, if they don't protect it with copyright, we can all just go ahead and use the song and they have no rights to any of the revenue that is being made. It's the same for us creators. We put in so much effort and time and even money into creating videos that it would be really, really sucky if someone just goes ahead, uses your video as their own, don't give you credit, they make money with it, and you're not making any money with it. So it makes a lot of sense why they are protecting their music with copyright and we cannot just go ahead and use it. Now you might be thinking, could I possibly just use this song and maybe they just won't find out? Well, YouTube has something called a content ID system that will identify any song that is copyrighted automatically. Like within seconds after you upload it, YouTube knows that you have used that song from David Guetta, Sia, Charlie Puth, whoever you're using in your video. And when they find out, you will get a copyright claim. And from that moment on, you cannot monetize your video. You will not make any money with that video. So imagine getting thousands of thousands or even millions of views on that particular video. That's just a really bad feeling. Even worse, and this is every creator's nightmare, instead of a copyright claim, you get a copyright strike. And when you get 3 strikes on YouTube, you're out. Your channel is terminated and you're done. But as I claimed at the beginning, there is a way to use copyrighted music, which is completely legal and you can still monetize your videos. And that is through a website called Licked. Licked is a chart music library where you can get access to over 1 million songs from your favorite artists. I'm talking about the artists that I mentioned before, Sia, David Guetta, Charlie Puth, and some of my favorites are Anne-Marie and Lewis Capaldi that can also be found on Licked. They are just very committed to making commercial music available to us creators without compromise, which means that we can just create videos without feeling limited by the music that we can or cannot use. But it is not just liberating because mainstream music is something that people, aka your viewers, will connect to. So being able to use that in your video will help you connect your viewers to you as well as your content. How this works is that you can buy a license to a song of one of your favorite artists and you can use this in one of your videos. Those licenses are as cheap as $8 per license, and what's really important to note is that this license is valid forever. So this means that you'll never have to worry about getting a copyright claim or a copyright strike down the road or having to delete your video or take it down, because with this license you are protected forever. And this is probably the best part, you can still monetize your video. So basically everything we've talked about in this video so far, Licked has taken care of. And you can use the music on YouTube, but you can also use it on Instagram or on Facebook, for example. And besides this, they also now have a stock library where you can get a subscription and you can get access to over 100,000 stock songs that you can use in all of your videos. Obviously, the more creators use Licked, the more labels Licked can get on board, which means that maybe one day I can use music from Billie Eilish. That would be really great. Let me know in the comments which artist you would love to use in your videos legally. While you're down there, I put a link in the description that will give you 50% off your first chart music track. So for just a few bucks, you can go ahead and use your favorite song in your next video. But because Licked is this all-in-one place, you can also get stock music. With that link, you get, in addition to the 50%, also 60 days of free access to their brand new stock music library. So go ahead and check out the link in my description. And now that you have an unlimited supply of songs that you can use, not just for your next video, but let's say for your next 100 videos, it is time to really make good videos. So if you want to learn how to do that, if you want to learn how to tell stories and how to do justice by your favorite artist, then make sure that you watch this video right here or watch this video right here that YouTube thinks is best for you.